I'm bread. Paper bag storage on the counter keeps me fresh and crusty for days. Plastic bags trap moisture and make me moldy fast. That's just basic bread science.
I'm apple. I release ethylene gas that actually makes other fruits around me ripen faster and go bad. Store me separately from other produce or everything spoils quicker. I'm brown sugar. If I get hard and clumpy, put a slice of bread in my container overnight, I'll soften right back up. The moisture transfers to me.
I'm egg. You don't need to refrigerate me in most countries around the world. Room temperature is perfectly fine for weeks, but once I've been chilled, keep me cold or I'll sweat. I'm cucumber. Don't store me in the coldest part of your fridge. Temperatures below 40 degrees actually damage me and cause pitting and decay.
I'm butter. I can actually stay on your counter for days without refrigeration head. I don't need the fridge unless it's really hot out. Salted butter lasts even longer at room temp.
I'm peanut butter. Store me upside down so my oils don't separate and settle at the top. I stay perfectly creamy and smooth throughout. No more dry bottom. I'm lettuce. Wrap me in paper towels inside a sealed container and I stay perfectly crisp for 2 whole weeks. Plastic bags make me turn slimy and gross in just days.
Stop washing me and forgetting about me. Water makes me rot faster. Wash me right before eating. Stop cutting me. Give me a minute. Cutting me right away dries me out. Let me rest so I stay juicy. Stop stirring me all the time. Stirring makes me gummy. Leave me alone so I cook fluffy. Stop crushing me. You're releasing bitterness, not flavor. Let me steep and drip on my own. I'm supposed to season from the inside. Add salt or your pasta stays bland forever. Why am I in here? Cold kills my flavor and texture. Leave me at room temperature so I actually taste good.
Taste me while I cook. Waiting till the end is how you miss the balance.
Cover me, man. Air makes me dry and smelly. Wrap me properly if you want me fresh.
You thawed me under running water. That makes me tough and dark inside. Then you call me bad meat, even though the damage came from you. Stop keeping me in the fridge. Cold slows my ripening too hard. I turn gray, lose sweetness, and die faster than I should. I can't breathe in tight wrap. Moisture gets trapped inside. That's how mold and bacteria grow, and I rot much faster than fresh berries.
You left me on the counter too long. Warm air hits fast. Smell shows up quickly. That's how bacteria multiply in minutes.
Cold kills my flavor and softness. I'm not made for fridge air. I'm supposed to stay juicy, not dry, dull, and tasteless. You froze me, thawed me, then froze again. Ice breaks my fibers each time. That's why I turn dry, lose juice, and cook uneven.
You left me uncovered in the fridge. I absorb smells and moisture around me. That's how texture breaks down. Use a container, not naked.
You put me in the fridge uncovered. Cold air hits my flesh. I oxidize fast and turn brown. That's how texture and flavor die.
Stop chewing me! I'm not food! You're destroying your teeth for no reason!
Ouch! The shell is sticking. You didn't shock me in ice water, now I look like a crater. Use cold water next time. Stop washing me. You're splashing bacteria everywhere. I'm not dirty, just cook me. You're infecting the whole kitchen. Stop swinging me around. It's too hot here. Put me in the back of the fridge or I'll go sour in 2 days. Hey, cut it out. I told you, I don't like sauce. Get that ladle away from me right now. Don't put me in here when I'm hot. You're raising the temperature in here and ruining everything! Why am I in the fridge? I don't need cold. Keep me at room temperature so I stay smooth. You're rinsing me. I'm the pasta. That starchy water helps sauce stick to me. You just washed it off. Now sauce slides right off. Never rinse me. You dumped me. I'm pasta water. Liquid gold. I bind your sauce together. Save a cup before draining. I'm the secret. Why is there oil in here? I'm the pasta. Oil coats me. Now sauce can't grip. It slides off. No oil in the water. Salt only. Let me absorb the sauce. You forgot about me. I'm the pasta. I've been boiling too long. I'm mush now. No bite, no texture. 1 minute before the box says. Taste me. Al dente. Dry me off. I'm the broccoli. You washed me and threw me in wet. I'm steaming now. Not roasting. No crispy edges. Pat me dry. Then oil. Then oven. Look at us. We're the carrots. You cut us all different sizes. He's burnt. I'm raw. She's perfect. Same size pieces. Even cooking. We should match. Cut us equal. Rinse me. I'm the rice. I'm covered in starch. Skip this and I'll be gummy and sticky. Cold water. Swirl me around. Drain. Repeat until water runs clear. Don't lift the lid! I'm the rice. Steam is cooking me. Every time you peek, heat escapes. I'll be crunchy.
Stop! Don't pour pasta water down the sink. I am liquid gold. Mix pasta water into the sauce. Look at that gloss. Wait, don't drain the oil on top of the peanut butter. That is natural peanut oil. It keeps me creamy and fresh. Store me upside down. This way, the oil won't settle on the surface, but mixes evenly with the peanut butter. No more dry, hard bottom. The fridge is not for toast. It dries me out fast. Put me in the freezer. Sounds crazy? The freezer locks in my moisture. Toast me straight from frozen. No more dry cardboard bread. Don't store cheddar in plastic wrap. Wrap me in parchment paper. It lets the air through. I stay fresh and dry. The air dried me out. I turned into a brown sugar rock. You can't scoop a rock. Toss a marshmallow in and seal me up. Wait overnight. And watch this. I'm soft again. Scoop me like sand. I'm butter. Add a tablespoon of me to pasta water while it boils. I help sauce stick better and add richness. I'm meatballs. Wet your hands with cold water before rolling me. Meat won't stick to your hands and I'll stay perfectly round. I'm bread. Drop a thick slice of me into oversalted soup and simmer for 10 minutes. I absorb excess salt, then pull me out. I'm baking powder. Toss wings in me before baking for ultra crispy skin. I dry out the skin so it crisps perfectly in the oven.
I'm salt. Pour me immediately on red wine spills and let me sit. I absorb the wine before it sets into fabric.
I'm ground beef. Stop squishing me. You're pushing out my juices and making me dry and tough. Just leave me alone.
I'm rice. Give me a bath until the water runs clear. It washes away my extra starch so I stay light and fluffy instead of ending up as a sticky, clumpy mess.
Stop letting your asparagus go mushy. Stand us up in an inch of water in the fridge. We stay snap fresh for days instead of wilting away in a plastic bag. Peeling ginger doesn't have to be a struggle. Use a spoon to scrape away the skin. It follows my curves perfectly, so you only lose the peel and none of the flavor.
I'm cilantro. Don't just stuff me in a bag or I'll turn into green slime in 2 days. Pat me dry, wrap me in a paper towel, and keep me in a sealed container to stay fresh and leafy.
Don't let me explode. Always puncture my skin a few times before microwaving. It lets the steam escape safely so I cook evenly instead of making a giant mess. I'm frozen stiff. Don't microwave me or I'll just melt into a puddle. Instead, put a warm glass over me like a little sauna. Stop crying. I don't want to hurt you, but my gases love your eyes. If you pop me in the fridge for 30 minutes before slicing, those gases stay chilled and quiet so you can chop in peace.